Welcome everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. Let's wrap up our element 612 of ISO 9001-2015 standard, actions to address risks and opportunities. Today you will discover how to assess the effectiveness of your action items program. In the previous video, we developed a format for an action item list. If you missed it, check the link below so we are on the same page. Before we start, click the subscribe button to be the first to see our new videos. If you wish to stay to the end, I will share with you a link to a cool book on Lean ISO Management Systems. Let's get started. Many companies run their action item lists in a simplistic form. Write what you need to do and do it. Unfortunately, this model loses the history of the performance of the action system. Let's take a look at few scenarios. Management review documented in line 15 an action, and it is on schedule, so we mark it open. In the second scenario, the lean group documented in line 12 an action to map cell 17. The action was completed on time, so we marked it on time and closed. The third scenario is an interesting one and deserves discussion. Our lean group documented in line 10 a task to provide lean training to Team 6 with the assigned target date. The task could not be completed on time. So what do most companies do? Right. They reassign the target date, the owner, or both, and go on. If we follow this practice, we will lose the history of the performance of our action process. We will not know that a delay occurred, and most importantly, why the action was delayed. Fortunately, our action list format allows us to document both. The delay in line 10 was caused by poor planning. When scheduling training, we overlooked team's availability. This is a good start, but we also have to keep a record of reassignment of the task. To do so, we could create line 10.1 under line 10 that explains why the action was late and who is the new owner and what is the new target completion date. Continuing this approach, we may reassign the action if necessary, creating records 10.2, 10.3, etc. The beauty of this method is that the organization does not lose information on the historical performance of the action system. Now somebody may ask, why bother? The answer is simple. Using this model, you will know the effectiveness of your action item system through the percentage of actions completed on time, how old are the past due assignments, and cost distribution. What are the stoppers to meeting the schedule? Give this action list a try. I have seen it working well. This is all for today, folks. In the following video, we will talk about element 6.2 quality objectives. Do not forget to visit our Lean website. Go to the Academy page and look at our free downloads. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean project. To learn more about Lean ISO Management Systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You will find a link to it on Amazon below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.